Hello guys, welcome to the first video of my Teamspeak tutorial series where I'll show you how to properly set up a Teamspeak server. So the goal of the series is that you will have all the required knowledge to properly set up Teamspeak permissions for all the server groups and channel groups and make sure that they can work together. And then also secure your Teamspeak from getting deleted or anyhow destroyed by giving too much power to the wrong people. So in this video, we're not going to get into the permissions yet. However, I'll show you a few things that you need to do to be able to start, and also a few tips that are going to make your life much simpler. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, you're gonna want to open your TeamSpeak, and the very first thing that you want to do is that you want to go to Tools, you want to go to Options, and then you want to go to Application and tick the Advanced Permission System. This is something that is completely necessary for our tutorial series because if you don't enable it, you are not going to see the same things that I see. So you're gonna click Apply, hit OK, and you're set. Now, basically, when you're on a TeamSpeak server, there are multiple ways how to get into the Serve Groups dialog. However, to make it simple, we want to customize this toolbar here. So you'll right click in the free space anywhere here, and you're gonna hit Customize Toolbar. And over here, what you want to do is that you want to go to Permissions, and you want to double click on Server Groups. And I also use channel groups because it's good to actually have them, you know. And then you also want to add one more separator, and you want to position it over here. It really doesn't matter. As you can see, they now appeal over here. And if we'll connect to a TeamSpeak server, so let's just connect to a TeamSpeak server real fast. Ah, come on. There we are. So now that you're on a TeamSpeak server, what you want to do, it's very simple. You'll just hit the server groups over here, and the whole server groups dialog, the permission system, is just going to pop up over here. That's it. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you learned something, and in the next video we're actually going to start getting into the more complicated things, into the permission system and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos. If you'd like to support me, you can click on my Patreon. It will be in the description. And yeah, that's it for this video. So have a good day.